In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay and loop Google Slides. This is really useful if you're setting up a display for an event, a kiosk, or a lobby screen, and you want your slides to just run on their own without anyone having to click through them. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to make your presentation start playing automatically, and keep looping until you stop it. First, open the Google Slides presentation that you want to use. Make sure all your slides are in the right order and that any animations or transitions are already set up the way you like. It's always a good idea to quickly run through the slides once manually, just to check that everything looks correct before you turn on autoplay. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the slideshow button. This is what normally starts your presentation in full screen. For autoplay and looping though, we're going to adjust some options that sit just behind this. Instead of starting the slideshow right away, look for the option to present from the beginning with settings, often found under a small drop-down arrow next to slideshow or present. Once you open that, you'll see some extra controls related to how the slideshow behaves. Here, you'll find an option to enable autoplay. When you turn this on, you'll be able to choose how long each slide stays on the screen before automatically moving to the next one. Common timings might be every 2, 3, or 5 seconds, but choose whatever makes sense for your content. For example, slides with more text might need a longer delay so people have time to read. After setting the autoplay timing, look for the option that says something like loop or restart after the last slide. Turn this on so that when your presentation reaches the final slide, it doesn't stop. It simply goes back to the first slide and keeps playing. This is what gives you that continuous, hands-free slideshow that can run for as long as you need. Once you've selected your autoplay delay and enabled looping, start the slideshow. Watch it for a full cycle to make sure the speed feels right and nothing is too fast or too slow. If you need to adjust, just exit the slideshow, tweak the timing settings, and try again. When you're happy with how it looks, you're done. Your Google Slides presentation will now autoplay and loop automatically. Perfect for unattended displays or background presentations.